now my friend wants me to go to the mall with her real quick, so we're gonna do that. I probably should take some before pictures before I get too far into my workouts, because I do want to just show all of y'all like my progress over the next few months, because the workouts I'm doing I'm expecting there to be really nice results, so we'll see. I don't know if I see any yet. I just worked out this morning and did like the row machine and weights and things like that, and I'm probably gonna get some dark chocolate while I'm at the mall. Alright, I am headed to go work from the coffee shop. I have been home pretty much for over a week. I had my COVID vaccine, the second dose, and it was pretty hard. So I wasn't feeling like too bad. I haven't had a cold in like 2 years. So my face was like hot, my head was pounding anytime I like moved. I was drinking lots of water. My legs felt kind of weird, kind of I don't know, just like when you fly on an airplane, like how your legs kind of feel strange. At least mine kind of start to feel a little weird. And so I was like trying to like move them around and stuff like that. So it's just like a lot of kind of weird things going on, but nothing like too bad. So I just kind of like been sleeping all week and didn't really make a lot of videos or, you know, do much of anything. I mean, I tried to stay busy and do stuff because I just can't not do anything. I mostly just looked at real estate because I really want to buy us like a condo or a townhouse or maybe even like a trailer, just so we have more space. I can finally move my stuff from Mississippi in my storage unit because that's almost $200 a month. I would like to get rid of that and have all my stuff finally, my clothing. And I just want like a small little area for Molly, but that's an area that we may have to cut out, you know, but I hate to because she's so sad. Like, she wants an area where she can like sit outside or like run and chase a ball. It's really hard being in an apartment with like a bigger dog who just wants to be outside and do fun stuff. And so I'd really want, even if it's just like a really tiny, just like a deck or something, just something that's like fenced off and she can't see out and react, because she's so reactive. I can't put her on the balcony because she always reacts and she just starts tearing up all my plants and like knocking everything over because she's like barking and, you know, jumping around at people or dogs or whatever, you know, a leaf falling. She's so reactive to people and dogs. It's like, I don't know why. It's really, really weird. I mean, we try to get around people and dogs, but she just barks and pulls so much. I think she just wants a friend, but Jason's too scared to kind of like get around another dog. He doesn't know how she's going to react to it, so it just makes him nervous and all that kind of stuff. But hopefully we can find a place. I've been looking for years now since we moved here, but now I've really narrowed it down to like what we're willing to, I guess, compromise on. And so I do want it to at least be 2-bedroom, 900. I prefer like at least like 12 or 1300 square feet, and like a tiny little like fenced area, fenced patio, fenced deck, fenced, you know. I mean, I found an area right now, or a place, and it has like a little patio and like some gravel extending past the patio. And I think you can put probably like a really small like fence. It probably can't be like a giant like privacy fence, because it's kind of like, it's a condo kind of apartment kind of area, like each place, and they all have like their little outdoor like patios and things, and I don't think people really fence them off. I mean, I would love it if we could just like fence it, just have our own little like tiny yard thing, but if we can, we could just put like maybe like a low fence with like maybe like a privacy type of thing in it, so she can't like really see him react. Of course, she'll still hear, so if someone walks really close, or a dog or somebody's like right there, she'll be reacting. But I just want an area where she could just kind of relax and just be outside. I think that's what she really wants and needs. But I do have like 3 videos I need to go edit, and I didn't really feel inspired to edit at the house all week. So I'm gonna go to a cafe that I absolutely love. It's called Himalayan Java Company or Cafe or something like that. My favorite thing to get there is the honey latte, but I like to get it like a little less sweet, but it's really good. They sell coffee from Nepal, and it's really delicious. I think they're like a chain, but I think like someone local owns it, and I think it's a chain. I think it's all over the US, or just maybe some certain states. I've looked into it, and I was like, they need their own local website, because when I go look at them, they don't have any social media presence, any online presence. They just have the chain's like website, and I'm like, you really need to work on your social media type of thing, I think. I don't know. I'd like to talk to them. Maybe I can make them a video, like the other company that's wanting me to make them a video. We'll see. Oh, my apartment lady, she's looking at me like, what are you doing? You're talking in your car. Yes, I am. I came back home because the cafe was about to be closing, and also my computer was dying. So I came home. I'm going to continue editing. I have like 3 videos that I need to get finished and scheduled out, and I have really needs to do some research. I've just been so out of the game because of this COVID shot and just been really feeling really tired. But today I feel so wide awake. It's amazing. I love it. I'm getting so much done today. I'm finally motivated and like my head is clear. I don't feel so much like brain fog and sluggishness and just feeling hopelessness. You know, I feel like I've been looking at houses. Maybe there's one out there for us. I don't know. I'm just feeling more excited today than usual, which is nice to finally feel that after so long of not feeling that.